The story of Mazda's evolution in the SUV segment continues with the arrival of the all-new 2027 Mazda CX-20. This is ST Auto Car, and today we're diving into this upcoming compact SUV that looks set to replace the Mazda CX-3 and reshape the entry-level crossover market. Mazda has always been known for stylish designs, and the CX-20 carries that legacy forward. Positioned below the CX-30, this SUV is meant for drivers who want something practical, efficient, and modern, without losing Mazda's signature sporty feel. The CX-20 is essentially Mazda's answer to changing global trends. As the CX-3 has aged, buyers have been asking for something more spacious, more advanced, and more future-ready. That's exactly the gap the CX-20 aims to fill. Looking at the front, the design feels bold and sharp. Mazda's Kodo design language continues, with a large grille, slim LED headlights, and vertical DRL accents. It looks aggressive yet elegant, almost like a scaled-down version of the CX-60. From the side, the CX-20 adopts a coupe-inspired silhouette. A slightly sloping roofline and strong shoulder lines give it a sporty edge. Expect options like a contrasting black roof, stylish alloy wheels, and modern touches that make it stand out in crowded city streets. The rear design feels equally futuristic. Circular taillights, a clean bumper, and aerodynamic shapes remind us that Mazda wants this SUV to look premium, even though it's positioned as an entry-level crossover. Step inside and you'll notice a shift toward a more upscale interior compared to the old CX-3. Mazda is known for using high-quality materials, and early reports suggest soft-touch finishes, a minimalist dashboard, and a driver-focused cockpit. Comfort is another area where Mazda has worked hard. The CX-20 is expected to offer more legroom and headroom, especially for rear passengers, which was one of the weak points of the CX-3. Families and young professionals alike will find it more practical. Technology is also a highlight. Expect a modern infotainment screen, possibly with Mazda's traditional rotary controller, or even a fully touchscreen setup for 2027. Smartphone integration, connected services, and a premium sound option will likely be on offer. Safety has always been central to Mazda's identity, and the CX-20 won't be an exception. Advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking are all expected to be standard or available. Now, let's talk powertrain. Mazda is reportedly giving the CX-20 electrified technology, with a mild hybrid system paired to a small but efficient gasoline engine. This could be a 1.5L or possibly a 2.0L engine, delivering both performance and fuel savings. Driving dynamics are something Mazda takes pride in, and even for a compact SUV, the CX-20 is expected to handle with the agility and fun-to-drive character the brand is famous for. This won't just be another boring commuter, it's meant to be engaging behind the wheel. Efficiency will be one of the strongest points. Hybrid assistance means better fuel economy, lower emissions, and appeal to eco-conscious buyers who want something greener without going fully electric. In terms of positioning, the CX-20 is clearly aimed at younger buyers, urban drivers, and small families. It's affordable, compact enough for the city, but spacious enough for everyday needs. Of course, competition will be fierce. The Toyota Yaris Cross, Hyundai Kona, and even Honda HR-V will be direct rivals. But Mazda's design flair and driver engagement could give the CX-20 a unique edge in this segment. Pricing is still under wraps, but considering its role, expect it to be slightly more expensive than the outgoing CX-3, yet more affordable than the CX-30. Launch is expected around late 2026 or early 2027, starting in Asia-Pacific markets. What excites me most about the CX-20 is how it blends style with practicality. It's not just about being the cheapest Mazda SUV, but about offering something that feels premium in a compact package. Buyers will feel like they're getting more than just entry-level value. That wraps up our look at the 2027 Mazda CX-20. This is ST Auto Car, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.